the standing letter T. So as with everything in Pilates, as I review the form again, remember that the shoulders are back and down, the rib cage goes in, and your pubic bone aims straight down. Once the rib cage is in, that is maintaining and protecting the arch of your lower back. Now from there, all the movement we do is actually going to be coming from the hip joint and from the shoulder joint. So here's what we're going to do. And watch me first before you actually try this. Left leg goes back, elbows come into the side, shoulder blades are down and back. And keeping both hips parallel to the floor, now keep them parallel to the floor and reach out into a T. And then bring yourself right back in. The goal here is to find a focal point. So I start with a focal point that's up, and then I work my focal point down, and then bring myself right back up again. So here we go. Chest is tall, balancing on the leg, utilizing all your toes of the right foot, and slowly extend, keeping both hips parallel to the floor, and then slowly bring yourself right back in. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Shoulder blades back and down. Keep the hips parallel to the floor. Your goal is to get your body as far over into a letter T as you can. But a lot of times we don't do that the first time, and that's okay. So maybe just with time and practice, we get better and better. Both hip bones parallel to the floor. And bring yourself in. So that exercise not only targets and works the muscles of your core, but now you're also working the muscles of your feet. And here's the thing. We've been wearing shoes for way too long. So typically our toes are not strong enough. And as we get older, people start saying, oh, I have no balance. And they treat balance as if it was a disease. It's not. It's a lack of training. So when you can do activities barefoot and you can engage your toes to really start to work and hold you, and you can start to basically feel how sometimes you might push. For me, I push to my pinky toe and I've got to really push my big toe down sometimes. So when I can understand that and I can feel, and then I can make the right adjustments to hold my balance, guess what? I'm stronger on one leg, and that keeps me stronger on my feet. So that was the T.